All right, welcome back, students. We are going to continue with the review. We will be reviewing on pages 22 and 23. It is a reading comprehension. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to read this to you, each paragraph, like this, and then we will go over the answers together. We will not be doing this or this. We will only be doing about the reading. So please listen and follow along in your book. All right, so this picture is for here. It is called The Dirtiest. The Dirtiest. Finland is known for snowy winters, reindeers, forests, and swamps. Swamps stretch across the countryside as far as the eye can see. Once a year, the town of Hiirensalmi, about 650 kilometers north of Helsinki, hosts a very unusual sports event, the World Swamp Soccer Championship. This major spectacle attracts some 5,000 participants from a number of countries. The players play soccer in the knee-deep mud, and often there is more wading and crawling than actual kicking of the ball. The game lasts for 2 periods of 25 minutes each in a marked soccer field that looks more like a pig pen. After kickoff, the participants' brightly colored team shirts soon become dirty rags. All right, let's go to the next one. This one is called The Coolest. Songkran is the most important of Thai festivals and holidays, and it marks the start of the astrological new year. The festival is celebrated in April over a period of 4 days. Songkran is closely associated with water. Traditionally, people pour water on elders and family members to bring good fortune. In the home, people clean images of Buddha with scented water. Nowadays, Songkran has become a festival in which people splash strangers on the streets using a water gun, a bucket, or a hose. Fortunately, it takes place during the hottest time of the year, so a cool shower is a welcome relief. Everyone gets drenched in water, all in the spirit of good fun, except for monks, who are spared from the showers. All right, let's go on to the next one. This one is called The Most Colorful. And as you can see, the Hulk is in the picture. The Holi festival in India is definitely the most colorful. It is similar to Songkran, but instead of water, colorful powders are thrown. The festival is hugely popular in the villages around Mathura, the birthplace of Krishna, the central figure in Hinduism. The festival is supposed to celebrate the love between Krishna and Radha. People throw powders to commemorate such love, and the mixture of bright colors symbolizes energy, life, and joy. And the next one, the mushiest, when something is really soft and squishy, muy suave or blando. The mushiest. Can you imagine the result of thousands of people throwing tons of tomatoes at one another? Each year, on the last Wednesday of August, over 30,000 people come to Buñol, a small town near Valencia, Spain, to take part in the Tomatina. It all started when unhappy citizens threw tomatoes at council members. Today, it is actually the city council that organizes this messy battle. Trucks unload their cargo of ripe tomatoes in the center of town. Excited crowds grab the tomatoes and the fight begins. Soon the walls of houses are covered in red, and the participants are knee-deep in tomato juice. The fight lasts for 1 hour, after which people head for the river to wash. Excuse me. All right. So those are the sections. So where is the Swamp Soccer Championship held? All right. The Swamp Soccer Championship is held here. So this is the answer to number 1. Once a year, the town of, however you say that. All right. And question number 2, what do people do at the event? All right. No boy asked to beer, solo boy desir. The people play soccer in the mud. Easy. In the mud. Mud is lodo. All right. So what does Songkran celebrate? Let's go back to here. It celebrates the start of the astrological new year. So we'll put a number 3 there. Number 4, how do the people celebrate Songkran? Let's go back up. So you can say here in the home, they celebrate by cleaning images of Buddha with sin and water. And now it has become a festival in which people splash strangers using water. So all of that is number 4. Why is the Holi festival so colorful? Let's go back up to here. It is so colorful because, right here, the mixture of bright colors symbolizes energy, life, and joy. That was number 5, so let's put a 5. What happens after the Tomatina battle? So the fight lasts for 1 hour, after which people head for the river to wash. So you can say after the Tomatina battle, here, people head for the river to wash. All right, so that's it for the reading section of the review. Thank you for following along, and we will continue reviewing in the next video.